Good afternoon. We're here at CPhI India 2013. I'm here with Gail from Teleflex Medical. Gail, this is your first time to a CPhI as a company. May I ask, what were your expectations coming into the event and what made you come to Mumbai in the first place?
Well, I work for a company called Teleflex Medical, and we have recently gotten into the area of B2B intranasal drug delivery partnerships. So we work with drug companies who have a product that they wish to deliver into the nose. And it's a new area for Teleflex, and obviously with India being such a hotbed of pharmaceuticals and pharmaceutical companies, it was a natural decision to come to CPhI in Mumbai. Now, when we were coming here, we didn't know what to expect. And now that we've been here and have participated in our first CPhI, we're definitely going to be coming back because the show itself and the event itself has generated really good quality leads for us, a lot of interest in our devices among people who wouldn't have known it previously, and hopefully will lead to some good opportunities for us down the line.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, every time I've walked past your stand, it's been busy. I mean, there's been a lot of people and excitement around it. The future for India and Teleflex Medical, do you have any expectations where you'd like to be within the next 5 years?
Well, we're currently working with one Indian-based company, and we're hoping that that in turn will help us develop other business with other companies. I think it's a country where if you develop a reputation for the quality of service and the quality of your products, it certainly helps you in expanding your business. So we're very, very hopeful and have high expectations of our success in the Indian market over the coming 5 to 10 year period. That's the thing about working with drug companies. You have to be in it for the long haul. Yep. You don't just come in today and make a sale tomorrow. You've got to develop partnerships with these companies. So we're here for the long haul, and we have expectations that we're going to have good success with the Indian companies.
Okay, excellent. So building and establishing that partnership that's going to last a long time is very important to Teleflex Medical?
Yes, it is. Teleflex Medical is, one part of our offering is the product, but equally important is the service aspect in terms of if you are contracted to a pharmaceutical company for product supply, the last thing you want is to end up in a situation where you've got delays on order fulfillment and so on. So it's very much partnership development with Indian companies, understanding what they need, when they need it, so that we can define and develop solutions, not only with the product but with the service side of the offering to meet their needs.
Okay, excellent. So let's just pretend that I'm the average attendee. I've just walked into the main hall of CPhI India. Yeah. I've come to Teleflex Medical stand and I come to greet you. What can I expect? What are your products about, and what do I expect basically?
Sure. Well, what we're doing is we're taking people through product demonstrations so they can actually see the product in action and get an understanding for how it actually works. And that then will usually generate some questions in terms of absorption rates of the drug across the nasal cavity and so on. And normally where this, as far as we intend to take it at CPhI, is to identify where there's a genuine interest in the product, where there's an existing intranasal program underway within a pharmaceutical company, and also just to get some details for some follow-up. And hopefully the aim is that the follow-up is in a fairly efficient time frame, that we're not following up on our leads from this event months down the line, that we'll get back to these companies in a very, very short time frame. So it's an introduction. There's an expression that I'm aware of, which is from small acorns, big oak trees grow. So these are all starting points for potential business partnerships down the line.
Okay, perfect. So the use of these exhibitions, these platforms, really establish those partnerships and then grow to business hopefully down the line in the future. I've had discussions in the past with companies that use various marketing channels such as advertising, and they don't do any trade shows. Now, you've just explained about your products. Obviously, you're an expert at what you do. Would you say that by exhibiting within a trade show that's extremely beneficial, that you get to sit face to face, and how does that help you grow your business in places like India?
Oh, I can't talk highly enough about the actual benefit of taking a stand at a relevant trade show, and one that will bring along quality delegates for whatever it is you're demonstrating or you're exhibiting. So for us, I mean, yes, it's that vital ability to develop a partnership at an early stage, to have a face for a name, is really very important, and it gives you credibility. It gives you credibility in terms of what a potential customer expects of you, and it gives you credibility for the quality of the lead that you're going to get, as opposed to, for example, getting feedback from an advertisement that you place in a trade magazine. I mean, each has its place. They're all part of the marketing armory as such, but personally speaking, we rely heavily on trade shows like CPhI here in India to allow us to meet some potential new distributors, new agents, and of course new customers.
Okay, perfect. And do you feel that CPhI India 2013 has met that need for Teleflex Medical?
I think CPhI India 2013 has so far gone beyond my expectations that it was a really easy decision to decide to come back again next year. It's been a super event for us. It just really exceeded my expectations.
Gail, we're pleased that you're here, and we look forward to having you back for CPhI India 2014. Thank you very much.
Thank you.